Hare Krishna students. Today we are going to start chapter 11. So what is the name? Saptami Vibhakti. So we will learn today about Saptami Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti Adhikaran Karak. Okay, Adhikaran Karak. You know in Bengali, but Sanskrit Karak I told just after finish this chapter I will start. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Ganga. What is the name? Ganga. So Ganga means you know that holy river Ganga. Our Ganga. So Ganga Bharatasya Pavitra Nadi Asti. So Ganga is the holy river of India. प्राचीन ग्रंथेषु गंगायाः महत्त्वं वर्णितम् अस्ति. The importance of the Ganga is written in ancient scriptures. एषा हिमालयात् निस्सरति. It is comes from the Himalaya. कलकत्ता नगरस्य समीपे एषा बंगोपसागरेण सह मिलति. It mixes with the Bay of Bengal near Kolkata. एतत् स्थलं गंगासागरः कथ्यते. So this place is called Ganga Sagar. Now next, just go down of the picture. गंगायाः तटे अनेकानि प्रसिद्धानि तीर्थक्षेत्राणि सन्ति. So there are many famous pilgrimage situated at the bank of river Ganga. हरिद्वारम प्रयागः वाराणसी च. So those are this is Rishikesh. So those are Rishikesh, Haridwar, Prayag and Varanasi. एतेषु तीर्थेषु प्रतिदिनम् असंख्याः जनाः गंगाजले स्नान्ति. So those are in this places many people take bath in the river Ganga. ते विविधेषु मंदिरेषु देवान् पूजयन्ति. They worship God in many temples. कुंभ मेलादिषु अवसरेषु लक्ष्यानि means लक्ष लक्ष की. कुंभ मेलादिषु अवसरेषु लक्ष्यानि जनाः गंगा स्नानं कुर्वन्ति. They worship God in many temples. Lakhs of people take bath in the river Ganga on the ocean of Kumbh Mela. Okay. Kumbh Mela dishu na. That's why on the ocean of Kumbh Mela. So Gangayang snanena बहु पुण्यं भवति इति हिंदूनां विश्वासः अस्ति. Taking bath in Ganga is a pious activity. This is a faith of Hindus. गंगायाम् अनेकाः शोभनाः नौकाः तरन्ति. तासु नौकासु जनाः जलविहारम् अपि कुर्वन्ति. There are many beautiful boats floats in river Ganga. People take ride on water by those boats. Definitely, we are also taking. Not only taking ride for roaming, we are taking ride for going to school like me. So, next, उत्तर भारते विशालेषु क्षेत्रेषु गंगा जलस्य सेचनं भवति. Sechanan means you can say irrigate. Okay, irrigate means sechan. So Irrigation is done by Ganga water in large number of fields in North India. तेनु किसी कार्यम उत्तमम भवति. So farming becomes better by this. Actually this means by this water. Okay. गंगा तटे स्थिताः ग्रामाः नगराणि च पानीयो जलायो गंगायाम आश्रिताः सन्ति. गंगा तटे स्थिताः, that means the towns and village which are at the bank of river Ganga are dependent on Ganga water for drinking. Those who are living in Mayapur, you know na, you are drinking that Ganga water only. In school also we are drinking that Ganga water only. It is purified, then we are drinking. So we are also dependent on the Ganga water for drinking. Am I right? So please read this chapter nicely. Okay. Now come to page number 41. Okay. Here you will read this meaning. Then only it will be easy for you to understand this chapter. Now come here. This is very, very important. Okay. So Saptami Vibhakti. Say Brixe Brixayoho Brixesu. This is masculine gender. Brixe Brixayoho Brixesu. Okay. Strilingo Lata Sabdarup Latayam Latayoho Latasu. Okay. And neuter gender always like masculine gender. Bane Banayoho Banesu. So Brixe Brixayoho Brixesu. Bane Banayoho Banesu. This is masculine gender and this is neuter gender. And feminine gender Latayam Latayoho Latasu. Okay. Now go to next page. Sarvanam Sabdarup. Okay. You have to memorize, no other choice, you know that. So, etasmin, etayaho, etesu. Etasmin, etayaho, etesu. That should be same. Tasmin, tayaho, tesu. Only cut the A. Okay. Now, kim, kasmin, kayaho, kesu. Now, etat sabdarup strilinga. Etasyam, etayaho, etasu. Etasyam, etayoho, etasu. Now tasyam, tasyayoho, tayoho, tasu. Sorry. Tasyam, tayoho, tasu. Etosyam, etayoho, etasu. Tasyam, tayoho, tasu. Etosyam, etayoho, etasu. Tasyam, tayoho, tasu. Please remember like this. Now, kasyam, kayoho, kasu. Feminine gender complete. Now, come to neuter gender. Sorry, neuter gender not given. Because it should be as same as masculine gender. Now, asmad. Moi avayoho asmasu. Moi avayoho asmasu. Asmad sabdrup, you know, that means I or for me like this. And yusmad means you. So, tvoi yuvayoho ishmasu. Tvoi yuvayoho ishmasu. You have to memorize this, okay? Now, come here. Saptami Vibhakti के विशेष प्रयोग, that means special uses for the seventh case ending. निर्धारण, निर्धारण, अनेक में से एक का निश्चय करने. Determination. That means if I say she is the first girl of this class, so that means your teacher is teacher is selecting one student. So that means nidharan. So if we are choosing one thing between many things, if many things are there, we are choosing one thing, that time this is called nidharan. So there we will use Saptami Vibhakti. Okay. जैसे फलेषु आम्रम मधुरम. That means many fruits are here, but mango is the sweetest one. Nadishu Ganga Shrestha. Understand that Ganga is the holy river. Then निर्धारण में षष्ठी विभक्ति का भी प्रयोग होता है. Okay, so when we are choosing something, there we can use saptami vibhakti also or षष्ठी विभक्ति also. जैसे, that means example, फलानाम आम्रम मधुरम, नदीनाम गंगा श्रेष्ठा. Okay, so we can use फलेषु also, फलानाम also, नदीषु also, नदीनाम also. That means here we are using saptami vibhakti and down we are using षष्ठी vibhakti. Both we can use. So that time we have to say निर्धारणे सप्तमी or निर्धारणे षष्ठी. What? निर्धारणे सप्तमी and निर्धारणे षष्ठी. Like this we have to tell when we will do the karak. Now one more thing I will teach today. जो शब्द सभी लिंग विभक्ति और वचन के सदा एक ही रूप में रहता है उसे अव्यय कहते हैं. That means you have to understand that अव्यय. What? अव्यय. What is the meaning of व्यय? What is the meaning of व्यय? Means we know that expense. That means खरच. In Bengali we can say खरच or in English we can say expense. If you are not doing the expense, that is called अव्यय. Am I right? So, which are not expense in any gender and in any vibhakti or in any vachan, that means number. Okay? So, that thing never change for anything. That is not expense at all. That is called अव्यय. We are telling अव्यय. Okay, that means indeclinable. We have to understand the meaning. That's all. We have to memorize. These are the अव्यय and we have to memorize the meaning. How it will come in your exam? It will come in a sentence like this. I am telling Atra Ramah Asti. Or we can say Atra Mama Vidyalayam Asti. I will say you that find out the अव्यय. So that which are the अव्यय, you have to write that one or you have to underline that one. Okay. So this much only. Or if I write the meaning, English one, you have to write Sanskrit one. Or if I write Sanskrit one, you have to write English one. In exam, I am telling, okay? So, let's see. Atra means here. Adya means today. Adhuna or idanim means now or nowadays. Anyatha, otherwise. Itaha, that means from here. Kutaha, that means from where. Kutra, that means where. Tataha, that means from that or moreover. Okay. Now tatra, that means there. Tatha, that means thus. Tada, then. Prayaha, almost or mostly. Bahihi, that means out. Yat, that means so. Then yataha, that means because. Then iti or evam, that means like this. Ekatra, that means together. Katham, that means why or how. Kada, that means when. Kintu, tu, parantu, that means but. Yatra, that means where. Yatha, that means like. Yada, yatha means like. Yada means when. Like tada means then and tatha means thus. Please don't mismatch these four. Okay, then swaha. Swaha means tomorrow. Sarvada, always. Sarvatah, that means everywhere. Sayam, that means evening. He, that means only alone. Her, that means yesterday. Okay, here means yesterday. And he means only or alone. So this much only your today's work. Okay, this much only your CW. So please read up to this much. I'll send you the picture.